Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my Engineering Technical Training Program series. Here I am with lesson about relay, that is lesson number 6. In lesson number 5, you have known magnetic contactor function, which is actually a magnetic switch. Now I shall discuss about relay. Its function is same to contactors. It consists of a coil, contacts, and an enclosure. When the coil is energized, it creates a magnetic field that attracts iron contacts, either closing or opening of circuit. The only difference between a magnetic contactor and relay is contactors handle high current while relay is suitable for low current loads only. Understand? Two types of relay is before me. One which runs on 220 AC and a small one which runs on 12 volt DC. 12 volt DC. Okay. These are smaller than any magnetic contactors. The main difference is with the coil connection terminal and the NO and NC. In these two, not the magnetic contactor, it is same like magnetic contactor, but here it differs from connection point, differs from this small DC relay. This has 8 pins. You see, this has 8 pins. This has 8 pins. For more connection, there are 14 pins relay. The big relay which I am holding is of 220 volt AC. Some are of 110 volt, and this smaller relay is of 12 volt, but there are 5 volt, 6 volt, 12 volt, 24 volt relay also DC. Before choosing any relay, carefully see its voltage rating and amps. This big one relay is Omron type. Omron MK2P1 type, and they have mentioned its connection diagram directly. They have printed it on the forefront. You may see. Place it on a base of 8 pins. This is the base, 8 pins base. Place it on a base of 8 pins. Here, always remember that number 2 and number 7 of any base is always used for supply line of 220 volt. Okay, number 8 is common. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6 is normally offline and number 5 is normally on. Okay. Such is the 1 and 4C, and this one, there are 2 lines to here, but it normally we require only a single line, and we usually use it 8-6 because it is normally off. When we give a line, the magnet will work and the connection is made. I have clearly taught you about normally connect and NO in magnetic contactor chapter. Correct. Connect number 7 line with 8 as I have done it, or you may connect number 8 with number 2. If number 8 is phase, then number 8 will become phase, and it will when it will deliver current to number 6 or 5, it will be phase. Okay. So if you are using number 8 with 2 and it is neutral, then this will deliver the neutral line here. Okay. You can use this type of relay up to 500 watt of load. In machine, I had rarely used relay. Only in heavy watt drives electrical circuit, I sometimes use 220 volt relay in between heat controller and magnetic contactor. Why I had done this, I will tell you when we shall arrive in that session. Okay. These are the relay. These are the connections. Always use, I again say you, always use 2 and 7 for supply line. Number 8 will be common, and you will require number 6 or number 5 sometime. Okay, these are the relay, and nothing more will be told you. Here you are seeing there is a coil. There is a coil inside, and when it becomes magnetized, it connects the circuit. Like magnetic contactor, I have tried to show the indicator lines through the circuit, but how much it will be good, I don't know. However, yeah, this red indicator was lighted up, but as soon as the current reaches here, and the NO connection is on, and after that it will be off. Okay, but these A small size relay which is of DC I had frequently used in my electronics circuits. Sometimes it was of 6 volt DC, sometimes 9 volt or 12 volt, all DC. These circuits will be discussed in future if I get time and my health favors me. However, generally I have used these 5 pins relay. This 5 pins relay. It is always installed on PC board. If we see its pin peak configuration, we see among these three pins, the first one and the last one of these three is the supply line of DC or supply line, these two, and the middle one is the common as number 8 of the big size relay what I have shown you earlier just now. And here you will make connection of if it is 12 volt, never try to give more than this rated supply line current DC. But if you are using it in DC, then no problem. But sometimes you may require to make a connection normally off or normally on with AC line. So you can put a connection either phase or neutral at this center middle point and take the other switching point from either this or this one as per your work. So before using this the small relay, you can check it with multimeters. If its connection is okay, then I am using a multimeter to show its connection, whether it is okay or not. As I have said that these 2 pins are supply line. Let us see if the coil is good or not. Yeah, this coil is good. Okay. Now this is the middle one is common point. What does it mean, common point? It will show connection with any of this. Yes, is showing connection with here, and there is no connection with here. When you will make supply line, this normally off will be connected. Okay, understand? You can put any AC line in the middle. You can put any AC line here, but I suggest you not to use more than 100 watts. But 60 watts is good, but never use more than 60 watts on AC to AC line, to AC 220 line in this, because AC line makes a spark when the connection when magnet makes a connection. so sometimes it is going to burn. But for DC line, there is mm, nothing to fear about. Okay. Uh, uh, okay, these were the lessons about relay, and I have just told you that these is a smaller one, DC one, are used in electronic circuit, and this is sometimes this is Omron type or 220 type is used in machineries. But in machinery, I have just said that it's normally there is no use. Okay, thank you uh, for staying with me, and there is nothing to ask anymore. You just try it with yourself, and you will be okay. But with the AC line, I always suggest you and advise you that please be careful and use gloves, not with naked hands, because it can shock you and it is fatal. Okay, thank you. Uh, I hope you have already subscribed my channels, and see you in the next video, and that will be solenoid bulb. Okay.